If you're ready to make money online without ever showing your face, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about how to start a faceless YouTube channel. Whether you're camera shy, looking to keep things low-key, or want to start a side hustle, I'm here to guide you through each step. A faceless YouTube channel can be your golden ticket to passive income. And the best part? You don't need a fancy setup, and you can start with just a few simple tools. Watch this video until the end as we go through the step-by-step blueprint to launch your own faceless YouTube channel today. But before we get into the video, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations about how you can make money online with a faceless YouTube channel. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get straight into the video. Before we discuss the 10 steps to starting a faceless YouTube channel, let's quickly define it and explain why it can be a highly effective way to make money online. Faceless channels focus on audio, visuals, and storytelling, without the creator showing up on camera. These channels work because they're versatile. You can create content in almost any niche, and audiences often don't mind or even prefer content where they don't see the creator's face. For example, millions of people tune into faceless channels for relaxation, tech reviews, news, or even just to learn new things without the distraction of a person on camera. Plus, faceless channels are scalable. Once you get into a rhythm, you can even automate parts of the process, making this a fantastic side hustle with the potential to become a full-time income source. Now let's dive into the 10 steps you need to take to start a faceless YouTube channel. Step 1. Choosing your niche. Your first step is about choosing your niche. The right niche will make all the difference, as it sets the direction for your content and attracts the right viewers. The right niche can make or break your channel. You want something that excites you, but also has the potential to attract viewers. Here's a deeper look at popular niche ideas for faceless channels. Tech reviews. This is a big one. From phone reviews to laptop comparisons, people love to watch tech reviews. You can use product visuals and screen recordings without needing to be on camera. You don't have to show your face, just showcase the latest gadgets. 2. Productivity and motivation. Imagine creating faceless videos with motivational quotes, productivity tips, and study techniques. Just add voiceovers, background music, and stock footage, and you've got a channel that can attract a loyal audience. 3. Educational channels. From science facts to history, from DIY crafts to cooking, faceless tutorials are huge on YouTube. These videos are highly engaging and easy to create without being on screen. 4. Nature and relaxation. Videos featuring calming nature scenes, white noise, and ASMR are widely popular, and many creators run these channels completely faceless. These are faceless channels with soothing sounds or relaxing visuals that people can unwind to. These are just a few niches that you can choose from. Here's a tip. Once you pick your niche, check YouTube and see what other channels in that niche are doing. This research will give you ideas, and you'll get a sense of what's working for other successful faceless channels. Step 2. Plan your content. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to think about your content. And this part is crucial because your content is what keeps viewers coming back. First, ask yourself, what problem am I solving for my viewers? Faceless channels do especially well when they offer something valuable, whether it's information, entertainment, or relaxation. Next, make a list of topics. For example, if your niche is tech, your list might include something like Top 5 Budget Smartphones for 2024, or How to Speed Up Your Computer. Aim for topics that are searchable, and start with a list of 20 to 30 ideas. Having a roadmap of content will keep you on track and help you to upload videos consistently. Step 3. Unique Value Proposition, UVP. Now that you have a niche, it's time to hone in on your unique value proposition, or UVP. Your UVP is what will set you apart from similar channels in your niche. Now ask yourself, what makes my content different? It could be your editing style, your choice of background music, or even the topics you choose to cover. Here are some examples of what your UVP could be. Unique storytelling. Maybe you tell each story in a creative way that keeps people engaged. In-depth analysis. For tech or educational channels, you could go more in-depth than your competitors. A specific tone or style. Some channels use humor or a calming voice to draw in viewers. Your UVP is what will make your viewers come back for more. So take some time to define this clearly before you start creating. Step 4. Setting up your equipment and tools. Now it's time to set up the tools you'll need. Don't worry, you won't need a Hollywood budget for this. You don't need high-end equipment to start, but here's a breakdown of what's useful and the basics you need to start a faceless channel. 1. A microphone. Audio quality is crucial. Try starting with an affordable, high-quality USB microphone like the Blue Yeti or Fifine. A clear voice is essential, so invest in a quality microphone. Or you can use 11 Labs software to do human voiceovers. 2. Screen recording software. OBS Studio is a great free tool for recording your videos. If you're doing software tutorials, this is essential. 3. Video editing software. You can start with free tools like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve. They both have robust features for creating professional-looking videos. You can also use Pictory and InVideo to create your videos. 4. Royalty-free media. For visuals, websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash have royalty-free photos and videos. For sound effects and background music, try YouTube's audio library or other royalty-free sites like Bensound or StockTune. Starting small with these tools can make a big impact, and as your channel grows, you can upgrade. These tools are all you need to make videos that look and sound professional. Step 5. Crafting your script and building a storyboard. This is where the fun begins. A well-structured script will make your videos much easier to produce, and it keeps your content clear and engaging. Here's a tip. Start with an outline and write your script in conversational language. Imagine you're speaking directly to a friend or your audience. Even if your videos are faceless, planning your voiceover script can make a huge difference. To speed up the process, you can use AI tools like Jasper or Word Hero to write an effective script. Next, storyboarding. For visual planning, create a simple storyboard. This doesn't need to be complex. Just sketch out what type of visuals will accompany each part of your script. Use free stock videos or images that match your script. You could also try basic animations using tools like Canva or PowerPoint for extra flair. Next, adding engagement hooks. Use questions, interesting facts, or short anecdotes at the beginning to hook viewers, and keep a few engaging moments throughout the script. This can boost watch time. Step 6. Recording and editing your voiceover. With your script ready, it's time to record and edit your voiceover. Don't stress about making it perfect on the first try. Here are 3 tips for recording clear, engaging audio. Tip 1. Find a quiet space. Background noise can be distracting, so choose a quiet room and consider adding soft surfaces like pillows to reduce echoes. Tip 2. Maintain a steady tone. Speak clearly, stay enthusiastic, and remember to breathe. You can edit out mistakes afterwards. Tip 3. Editing the voiceover. Tools like Audacity can help you edit your audio for free. You can remove background noise, enhance your voice, and add effects if needed. Quality audio is one of the most important parts of a faceless channel, so take your time with this step. Editing might take some practice, but with consistency, you'll see improvement fast. If you're not comfortable doing the voiceover yourself, you can always use 11 Labs software for human voiceovers. Step 7. Adding engaging visuals and animation. Now let's talk about adding visuals. Since your channel is faceless, your visuals need to keep viewers engaged. Here are some ideas for different types of faceless content. A. Stock footage and images. For factual or storytelling content, mix in relevant stock images and videos. Sites like Pexels and Pixabay are fantastic free resources. Use free stock videos or images that match your script. You could also try basic animations using tools like Canva or PowerPoint for extra flair. B. Simple animations. Basic animations can bring life to tutorials or tech reviews. You don't need to be an expert animator. Canva or even PowerPoint can be used for simple text animations. C. Screen recordings. This is great for educational and tutorial content. Screen recordings let viewers follow along with exactly what you're doing. Here's a tip. Experiment with B-roll and background visuals. For instance, if you're making a top 10 list, find visuals that represent each item to keep viewers interested. Step 8. Mastering YouTube SEO. Once your video is ready, it's time to optimize it for YouTube SEO. This step will help your video get discovered by more people. Faceless videos can compete just as well as other content if they're optimized correctly. Here's how to make sure your video is found. Here's a quick checklist. 1. Keyword-rich title. Choose a title that includes your main keywords but also sparks curiosity. Use keywords that match what people are searching for in your niche. 2. Engaging description. Write a detailed description including keywords that naturally describe your video. Craft a catchy title with keywords and make sure your description is filled with relevant information. 3. Relevant tags. Use tags that reflect the content and theme of your video. They help YouTube understand the context of your video. 4. Eye-catching thumbnails. Don't underestimate the power of a good thumbnail. Use bold text and simple, high-contrast images to draw attention. Make it eye-catching. SEO takes practice, but optimizing your video will increase your reach and help your channel grow. Good SEO practices can help you get discovered on YouTube search results and suggested videos. Step 9. Staying consistent. Consistency is key. With YouTube, consistent uploading is essential for growth. Set a realistic schedule that you can stick to, whether it's once a week or every other week. Try planning at least a month's worth of content to make sure you have ideas ready to go. And don't get discouraged if growth is slow at first. It takes time to build an audience, but by staying consistent and keeping your quality high, you'll start seeing results. Success doesn't happen overnight on YouTube, especially for faceless channels. But if you upload consistently, you can build an audience over time. Try to set a schedule that works for you, whether that's once a week or twice a month. The key is quality over quantity. As long as your videos add value, your viewers will keep coming back. But before we get into step number 10, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations for making money online with a faceless YouTube channel. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get back to the video. Step number 10, monetization strategies for faceless channels. Finally, let's talk monetization. Here are the main ways faceless channels make money. 1. YouTube ad revenue. Once you meet YouTube's monetization requirements, you can start earning from ads on your videos. 2. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products related to your niche and earn a commission when viewers buy through your links. Add affiliate links in your description to products that you want to promote. 3. Sponsorships. Many brands are happy to sponsor faceless channels if they have a dedicated following. Most companies are interested in promoting their products on faceless channels. 4. Merchandise and products. Think about creating digital products or merch for your viewers, especially if you're building a strong community. If you build a strong community, you could consider selling your products or services. YouTube has massive potential as a side hustle or even full-time income, and a faceless channel gives you the flexibility to make money without being in front of the camera. Diversifying your income streams can turn your channel into a profitable business. And there you have it, the complete guide to starting your very own faceless YouTube channel. By following these steps and staying dedicated, you can create a successful channel, build a loyal audience, and start earning a passive income. So what's stopping you? Start creating your channel today, and let's see where this journey takes you. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, smash that like button, and share it with your friends. For more Make Money Online opportunities and tips, click or tap on my next video, and I'll see you there.